Pero pwede bang pigilan ng gobyerno ng ating bansa, Attorney Mark, yung investigasyon ng ICC?
The ICC can investigate independently, even without the cooperation of the Philippine government. Tayo yan. Kasi ang ICC is separate. Ang ICC, independent. Hindi yan sakop ng ating gobyerno. Under siya ng Rome Statute. It is an international court. So, ibig sabihin doon, the Philippine government cannot stop the investigation, cannot stop the functions of the ICC. Hindi nila pwedeng mapigilan yan. But, the Philippine government may not cooperate. Yun. Iba kasi investigation sa enforcement. The ICC may investigate, but yung lahat ng investigation ng ICC cannot be enforced without the cooperation of the Philippine government. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ma-enforce yung kung walang cooperation ng Philippine government, yung mahirapan ang ICC to gather evidence, maggawa ng mga ebidensya. Mahirapan ng ICC to enforce warrant of arrest or any other warrant. Like for example, yung nangyari kay President Duterte, yung warrant of arrest ng ICC laban sa kanya, hindi yun enforceable sa Pilipinas. Naging enforceable lang yan kasi pinayagan ng Philippine government. Ibig sabihin, if the Philippine government will not cooperate, walang bisa yung warrant of arrest ng ICC. So, ang ICC is just a hanggang investigation ng talaga yan. Pag enforcement ng decision ng ICC, kailangan ng cooperation ng Philippine government. If there's no cooperation with the Philippine government, which the Philippine government is not mandatory na mag-cooperate talaga. Kung walang cooperation ng Philippine government, hindi nila kaya to gather evidence, hindi kaya ng ICC to arrest an individual or to enforce any warrant. Kasi they can only do, ang kaya lang gawin is just to investigate. Kasi pag more than investigation, enforcement na ang pinag-usapan natin dito, kailangan talaga ng cooperation ng Philippine government.
So, kapag ganoon po, Attorney Mark, halimbawa, for example, meron ng mga naganap na investigation sa ICC, babalik po ba sa bansa na may enforcement ng batas yung...
Hindi, kailangan nila na makipag-ugnayan sa Department of Foreign Affairs because ang ICC, it is a foreign body. So, kailangan dadaan sa Department of Foreign Affairs, tapos dadaan sa DOJ natin, dadaan sa DILG natin sa pag-enforcement ng desisyon, and of course, to the Office of the President. But, sabi ko nga, yung warrant of arrest, kung may warrant of arrest man ng ICC laban sa any individual sa Pilipinas, hindi yan enforceable. Unless may cooperation ng Philippine government. Like, I repeat, like the case of the former President Digong Duterte, nangyari yung pag-aresto, hindi dahil sa ICC. Nangyari ang pag-aresto kasi may cooperation ng Philippine government. Yun yan.